Sri Srikanth Garu for having permitted us to use the campus to conduct the Zonal Budding Scientist Contest. Thank you, sir. Without their support and cooperation and also guidance throughout, the event needs a special mention. Without their cooperation, it will not be a success. Thank you, sir. I thank AO sir, Administrative Officer, Mr. Rajesh Garu. Without his support, because he was with us after 9 o'clock also, I think, the event manager, as the event manager told us, he was with us while the things were going on here. And without his support, this program wouldn't have been so colorful. He was with the event manager and extended his full support. Thank you, sir. And the judges, Mr. Prasad Rao sir, Vice Principal, Head of the Department, GVRNS, College of Engineering and Technology. I spoke with him only last night and he readily accepted to be the judge on this occasion. Thank you very much, sir. You have spent your full day with us. Thank you very much. And I thank Mrs. Junita, Mary Junita, Head of the Department, Department of Electronics, NRI Institute of Technology. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. You spent the full day judging our students and you have also given a valuable suggestion and also a speech to our students. And I thank Mrs. Kamala Karuna, Head of the Department, Department of Chemistry in Women's College. She also spent her full day here. She judged the students and all the three, they were very cooperative with us. They did not make any regrets. Till now, they have spent their Sunday. We can say we stole their Sunday, but still they gifted their Sunday to us. We thank all the three judges, sir and madams. Thank you very much. She is representative from head office Mumbai. Since they already booked their tickets for flight, they left the venue at 2:30 itself. But still, I thank them for representing the company. And I thank Ramya. She was at the reception. She did an excellent work. And all the coaches who were here, who were guiding the students to have their house here. But Pawan and Ramakrishna, Ajay, they are guest senior coaches to us. They are also hosts, of course. But as they have taken our invitation and are here, thank you very much, senior coaches. And my special thanks goes to Pawan Kumar Joshi. He's here. He was the MC for this entire, and he's also not having good health because he was completely in the rain. So I thank because he arranged everything extraordinarily. It was timely support he gave, timely arrangements he made. So I thank Gaurav and also his team for making this a grand success. Thank you.
Okay. Where is Rajesh? Rajesh? Go this side. Okay, thank you. Ready? Okay, thank you.
Start, ma'am.
I'm Ramya, representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist College 2012, and we have here Honorable This is Ramya, representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist College 2012, and here we have our Honorable Srikanth Reddy Garu, who is the Director of Kennedy School, Guntur, and the entire contest is held in yours, which is Kennedy. How do you feel at this stage?
I feel very happy and fortunate enough to host this event. Students from almost 20 schools and about 40 students, 40 projects gathered at one place. So from morning to evening, we have witnessed the young budding scientists doing their experiments coming all the way from their schools. So I congratulate all the participants and I also thank all the coaches and the Brain Cafe in particular to take the initiative to conduct such events, bring out the scientific temper amongst the students.
How do you personally feel that students are with their innovative thinking?
Yeah, I mean, all those who have come here, I'm sure that they are very much scientifically eager to bring out some innovative thoughts with the help of their parents and coaches. So they have done their best. I expect that, I hope that they will do far better in future things like this.
Do you feel that this contest is really helpful to students that who are at this age level bringing out their innovative thoughts?
Definitely. This is the age where they will have more ideas and this is a platform where they can express. So definitely such platforms would enable the students to bring their ideas and to perform well, think and do their best.
We eagerly wait for your suggestions for Brain Cafe for developing innovative thoughts and bringing in.
Suggestions, I don't think I have anything at this moment. All is well. So you have done a great job.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which is held at Kennedy Public School, Guntur. And here we have our Honorable Judge, Professor S.H.V. Prasad Rao Garu with us. Your name please.
I am S.H.V. Prasad Rao, working as Vice Principal and Professor of EC Department, JVRHS College of Engineering and Technology, Guntur.
Sir, you are here with us for the contest, judging all the day. How do you feel?
Now, it is very good, sir. Madam. It is a good platform to take up the hidden knowledges and hidden talents from the students. So, it is good.
Can you give us any suggestions for the Brain Cafe?
So, already one suggestion is given by our co-judge. So, it is implemented to rural schools also. It is good for rural people.
Sure, sir. Talent is hidden everywhere, so we'll surely bring it out. Thank you. Representing Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which was held at Kennedy School, Guntur. Now, here we have one of our judge, who is Kamala Karuna, who had spent her whole day in judging our participants who attended Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012. Hi, ma'am. Would you like to share your view about this contest?
I'm very glad to be a part of this Budding Scientist Contest 2012. I'm very thankful to call me as a judge in your encouraging the school children to get their innovative ideas and to use their brains to develop new scientific knowledge and new scientific methods that are very useful in our daily life. Thank you very much.
Do you think Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest is really useful in bringing the children's innovative thoughts out? Any feedback for Brain Cafe Budding Scientists?
If you extend this program to rural areas, to bring their talent.
Thank you.
Okay, cool.
I'm Ramya, representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012. And here we have one of our valuable and honorable judge, Mary Junita, with us to share her views about this contest. How do you feel being part of this contest?
It gives me immense pleasure to participate in this session because judging kids and especially under 15 years age, it's very difficult because everybody will be enthusiastic and their feelings are more valuable, right? So first of all, we have to convince them because participation is more important. If nobody participates, there won't be any spirit, right? So So it's very good to organize, and I thank Zealand program, and this brain cave science session is very good to get the innovative ideas from the kids, because they are nothing but the future technocrats. So if they add technology to science, it will be more useful. And they are not only the budding scientists, but they become the future technocrats. And I have gone through many projects, and all are very good, and some are excellent.
Can you please mention some of the particular projects that have grabbed your attention?
So I'd like to speak on that car cleaning system. Just using 2 cylinders, she did a miracle. So of course she got the first prize. And one more is the gun. The boy is very curious, air gun. And using simple equipment and simple tools, they got good idea, and he could express.
Do you think Brain Cafe Budding Scientist contests are really helpful in bringing out the innovative ideas?
Definitely, because nowadays in schools they are not focusing on these extracurricular activities. Only they are concentrating on studies. Whereas they will do questions, they will be marking up. Only they are trying to get concentration on their studies or education and curriculum, but they are not focusing on extracurricular activities. So definitely this type of encouragement should be there. Then only we can encourage and get innovative thoughts.
We are expecting some more valuable suggestions for our Brain Cafe.
So you be frequent in conducting this type of events and advise students, and you give different themes so that kids will be working and will be able to give the innovative ideas.
Thank you. Thank you for being here now.
इधर आओ, इधर देखो, look at me, look at the camera, start, rolling.
This is Ramya Vakegi with Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, and here is one of the winner with us, whose name is P. Pavli. Pavli, you are the winner of category C. What is your project name?
Micro pattern.
Okay. How do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Okay, what are your plans for the state level?
I'm very happy. I will extend.
This is Ramya with Brain Cafe Contest 2012, which was held at Kennedy Public School, Guntur. Here we have one of the first prize, which is in category B, and she is Pandi with us. Let's ask her view. Pandi, you got first prize in category B. So, what is your project?
Kaja.
Kaja. So, you are for the next level, that is state level. And are you going, what are the modifications that you are going to do with your project? Do you want to extend it? Okay, thank you. Very happy. Excited to go to next level? Yes, thank you. From Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which was conducted in Kennedy Public School, Guntur. And here we have one of the winner, that is Harsha in category B. Harsha, how are you feeling winning for the state level?
I am very happy about this, and I did not expect anything. This is just not only my success, but it's also my parents, teachers, and all my supporters.
Are you eagerly waiting for next level?
Yes, sure. I am waiting. I am very eager to go to the next level.
So, what would you extend? What would you like to do in any modifications in the next level?
I should. I will modify it, and I will try my best in the next level to achieve.
Thank you.
Cut.
I am Ramya, representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which is held at Kennedy School, Guntur, and we have one of the second prize winner in category B. She is here with us. And what is your name?
My name is Kavita.
Okay. What is the project that you have done today?
My project is about magnetic induction.
Okay. How do you feel taking part in this event?
I'm very happy and I'm on the top of the world.
Wow, you're on the top of the world. So you might be really excited to go into the next level.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Okay. And what are the modifications that you are going to do in your project in the next level?
There's going to be a surprise.
Wow. So great to hear from you. And thank you.
When I say one,
From Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which was conducted in Kennedy Public School, Guntur. And here with us we have one of the parents who won the second prize in category B. What is your name? Smita. Okay. Your kid is a winner now. So where did you come from?
We have come from 240 kilometers from Guntur. It is Kakinada.
You have travelled all along from Kakinada to Guntur.
Yes,
And your kid, and it is bad weather. And your kid is a winner now who is going to the next state level. How do you feel?
Oh, it's really great. It's a great feeling that my daughter could make it till this. And our school, Littlewood School, has provided her enough training, enough support, and it is all her effort and her father's effort behind this. Thank you.
Do you think what kind of platform is Brain Cafe providing students in bringing out their innovative thoughts?
This concept as such is very nice. It is allowing my child to have a very practical exposure, not only theoretical, but the practical exposure is very, very important in today's world. Most of the children and her friends, they are all going through textbooks, but a practical knowledge is very, very important. And Brain Cafe has been supporting this from the past few weeks in our school. So this has been very, very helpful.
Thank you, ma'am, being with us.
Thank you.
This is Ramya from Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, conducted in Kennedy Public School, Guntur. And here with us we have one of the consolation prize winner. What is your name? Kaushik. Where are you from? Tenali. Okay, you are a winner. How do you feel? It's great. So, are you eagerly waiting for the next level, that is state level? So, do you want to make any modifications in your project? Okay. Will you do it better, more better in state level? Very good. Thank you. Ramya, representing Brain Cafe Budding Scientist Contest 2012, which was conducted in Kennedy Public School, Guntur. And here with us a consolation prize winner. What is your name?
My name is Siddhi Sai.
What is your project?
My project name is RC Flows People.
And now you are a consolation prize winner. So how do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Okay. What are your next plans for this
I modify this project very much.
Okay. Are you really excited for the next level?
I am really very, very excited for the next level.
How is Brain Cafe useful for you?
It's very useful to me to gain more scientific knowledge.
Thank you.
हेलो बच्चे सबको
wait.